Hello foodies, welcome back to our channel. Get ready for a culinary adventure as we whip up mouth-watering vegetable Hakka noodles, a delightful fusion of flavors and veggies, all cooked in one pot in just 25 minutes. Before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more culinary delights. Here is what you'll need. Hakka noodles, a colorful array of veggies including cabbage, spring onions, beans, ginger garlic, onions, green peas, capsicum, carrots and sweet corn. Sauces for that flavor explosion. Soy sauce and shezwan sauce. Begin by boiling water in a large pot, ensuring there is enough to fully submerge the noodles. Season with salt and touch of oil, then cook the noodles for 4 to 5 minutes. Keep a close eye to prevent overcooking. Once done, pour water and let it cool. Toss in bit of oil, prevent sticking, and set aside. In a hot kadai, infuse oil with the aromatic duo of minced garlic and ginger. Watch the magic unfold as they change color. Add a finely sliced mix of onions, beans, capsicum and carrots. Stir frying for a minute on high flame. Next, introduce a burst of colors and textures with cabbage, spring onions, green peas and sweet corn. Keep that crunch intact by sauteing briefly. Season with salt, pepper and Kashmiri chili powder, creating a flavorful canvas for the dish. Now reunite the cooked noodles with this veggie symphony. The magic happens when soy sauce and Shezwan sauce join the party. Toss and mix until each noodle is coated in the delectable blend of sauces and vegetables. With the flavor in the perfect harmony, turn off the flame. Transfer to the serving plate and get ready to serve the essence of vegetable Hakka noodles. Serve hot and relish the joy of creating this culinary masterpiece. Happy cooking!